I got a request about the carriage release mechanism about the Hammond typewriter. This is both direction language, the direction typewriter, depending on this lever. The carriage can move to the left to the right or right to the left. But this one, only if you hit the space bar, it's left to the right, right? Like this. So, but basically, the idea, it's same. The carriage release mechanism is the same. Maybe this one is easier to explain. So if hit this lever, that means carriage release lever, then it's connected to the here, right? And then there is one bar, bottom. There is it's connected to the maybe this one bar. Yeah, this one connected to this one. So that means if the carriage release button, this movement push back, right? Like this, right? Push back. The same thing. This one, this one, and here bottom, this same thing. Push it back, right? Let's see, like this, That means it's connected to the trigger, like inside. It's very hard to see. On the here, there is a this one, black stuff, this one black stuff. So they push this one, the black one, this one. They push some inside the gear back to here. That means disconnect this escapement gear, and then the main from the main spring, this one, another one inside. This one. If you push the carriage release lever, this push back to the inside, the outside hold gear. So push back, that means separate. That's why without any this like holder, still it's free. Inside one free. Let's see. See, inside the another gear, it's depending on the spring, connected to the spring mainly. This one is freely turn, right? The power of the spring, depending on the spring, it's free right now. So normally this teeth, right? This teeth and this teeth connect to that gear, right? That gear under here. But right now, it does not move this way. Why? Because this gear connected. So that means this one hold, not turn like this. But after hitting the space bar, it should release just one escapement, right? Like this, right? So that means each this teeth one by one move because they are this is came to hold that whole thing. But if hit the carriage release, this one move, push back. That means inside the another one under here. This one, push it back to the inside this stuff. That means this gear and then this escapement separate. Okay, it's very hard to use the one hand, right? Look at the black stuff. See this one. Okay, again under the this draw band, this stuff. Look at that one. See, that means it's separate. So it's this power of the spring. It's move like this because it's free. The other inside the gear is free, right? So that's why. How about this one? Exactly same, but it's more hard to explain because this cover, this one cover the we it's hard to look at inside, but exactly same. This time this is the mainspring, right? So here this bar, this one move back means this stuff, the main string connected to the 3 gear, right? 1, 2, and then another one, this one. It's separate from the this escapement after release this carriage release lever. Okay, same thing. The here, this one push back. That means where is the black one? This one move back forward. That means separate this whole gear and then escapement. Let's see. I push the escapement, I mean the carriage release lever. See this movement, then it's separate, right? The escapement doesn't move, right? And then I push it back. But if we hit the space bar at that time, this is connected together. So depending on this holder, it's move just one by one, like this. It's connected. This one connected, but carriage release lever push means it will be disconnected because of this black stuff push the another whole thing to the backward. That means separate. Let's see. That means free. So that's why it releases the carriage whole movement. Okay, one more. Look at. See? Yeah. So actually under here there is a small one more piece because this one there is both sides. This black, this one here, this one, right? And then other side, you can see the other side also, the this one, right? On the draw band, there is another piece, right? The both push back means separate from the escapement with the this gear. So it will be free after carriage release button. So, but this one, inside one there is a very small piece. Inside one also there is a one, but it's not connected to the main this what is it called, release mechanism. Just one side, this one did works. Okay, I'll show you one more, like this one like this, but actually inside there is a small one more piece, but it's very hard to see because of the this one. Okay, so that's, yeah, it's very, so main idea is this is came onto gear, and then another inside this whole thing, it's connect or separate. Normally it was connected. We use the typewriter, but if you push this carriage release button, it will be separate. So that's why it's free. See? Yeah. That's the. So you should check maybe this from the here, and then this bar on the here. This bar is connected to the hole here, and then that push some black part, this one backward. That means whole thing black part separate from the another gear inside. That means it's free. This whole gear is free. So it's separate from this main escapement. That's why we can move by the power of the mainspring. All right, that's it. If you have any question, let me know that. Okay.